Hello and welcome back to Vlada's Place. I'm very passionate about helping reconnect American families and communities, as well as helping reintroduce old world living and cooking skills to modern families. With that in mind, I'm going to introduce you to a healthier way of making and serving coleslaw. This is my favorite recipe for coleslaw salad, and it's called virgin coleslaw. So I will be showing you how to make a basic coleslaw, or what I like to call it's a virgin coleslaw, meaning that it has nothing inside but the vinegar, salt, a little bit of honey, and some olive oil. So this is a very healthy version to coleslaw. Everybody who tries it absolutely loves it. It's really fresh and it's a great salad. So basically we are starting with one head of fresh cabbage. And I'm hosting 6 tonight. This might be a little bit extra, more than what you would need for 6 people. But the salad is good the next day as well. So you can just make a little extra. So what I have here is a little shredder. This is what you typically can find in most Serbian homes, because people use these shredders to make various salads. So you can get a shredder, similar shredder online, or if you're very patient and skillful with knife, you can just use the knife and shred your cabbage very nice and thin. When I was a kid, my dad would pride himself in his ability to shred this cabbage almost like hair thin. It was like an angel hair thin pieces. And to him, it was really important that this salad was made with cabbage that was very, very thinly sliced. So I generally never measure ingredients for this particular coleslaw, but I'm going to do my best to give you an idea approximately of what needs to go in. So we have one head of cabbage shredded, and let's go with half a teaspoon of salt. Actually a little bit more. And again, I don't normally do this salad by measurements, but we'll try our best. Okay, half a teaspoon of black pepper. And once you get the salt and pepper inside, you want to just fold the salt all over the cabbage, just so you get the flavor everywhere. And once you're done with mixing salt and pepper on cabbage, you want to try it and just make sure that it's salty enough. And then we're going to go with vinegar. So let's go with approximately a 1/4 cup. Okay, I think it will call a little bit more. All right. And then we're going to mix it again. But this time, before mixing it in, I'm going to add just a little bit of honey. Let's see. About a teaspoon, half a teaspoon. It's actually for your taste. And this happens to be a local honey, which is very, very fragrant. Okay, and by this time you can use tools to mix things in, or just go again with your hands, assuming your hands are nice and clean. Okay, and so we have salt, pepper, vinegar, and honey. The last ingredient is olive oil. So the reason we have done this is to season cabbage really good. We salted it, we put the vinegar on it, and now we're going to put the oil last, because we want oil to kind of coat over the cabbage. Add some olive oil, and again we have a 1/4 cup here, but I feel we're going to need a little bit more than a 1/4 cup. But again, I'm just trying to come up with the measurements for you. That's a 1/4 and almost like 2/4 cups, which is basically a half cup of olive oil. I'm just going to wipe the dish, and then we are going to fold the olive oil around the cabbage. Okay, once you're done with mixing it, just try it and see how you like it. For my taste, I mean, this is very good. It's mild, and if you have not had a coleslaw like this before, it would be very good. For my flavor, I like a little bit more vinegar. I like my salads just a little bit more sour. So after you combine all the ingredients, you can just go back and add per your taste. And basically, this is it. This coleslaw is so refreshing and it's so good for you, and it's much better than a standard or traditional coleslaw that contains mayonnaise. Right on. I will be serving this delicious coleslaw as a side dish to a freshly made chicken schnitzel. If you're not following us on YouTube yet, consider subscribing, because that's the next recipe. We're going to teach you how to make an amazing chicken schnitzel. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Until the next time and the next recipe, please take good care of yourself and those around you.